everybody. My name's Elaine Duff. I'm here with Bird Dog Whiskey. I'm at Post Oak Barbecue in Denver, Colorado. I'm so excited. Such a great whiskey place, such a good barbecue place. And I know, Ansel, you're going to be making me some delicious Bird Dog whiskey cocktails.
Absolutely,
so what are you making me today?
So this time we're going to do a blackberry lemonade. So what we're going to start with is a couple mint sprigs.
That sounds like a perfect mix between like lemonade and barbecue.
Oh yeah. And then you're going to add a little bit of simple syrup and muddle.
Gotcha. And you're always like, I always muddle in my sweet. Is that something
Exactly,
you
yeah. It just kind of helps to get the flavors to kind of juice together. Next, I'm going to add some blackberries, probably about 5, because those will kind of emulsify and liquid into the juice of the cocktail.
So you don't have to muddle them, they're just going to
No,
dissolve?
because once you shake with ice, the ice is going to pound it up and make it
I love
nice.
it, that makes it so much simpler.
I'm going to take the blackberry whiskey from Bird Dog. And we're going to add about...
blackberry.
Yeah, this
That
one's...
sounds like fun.
Exactly.
And blackberries and lemonades sounds like such a delicious
It's
combination.
such a good summertime cocktail. Then next we're going to add a little bit of lemon juice, and this is just going to kind of help round out that cocktail with the acidity.
So about 3/4 of an ounce?
Yeah, exactly.
Nice. That's pretty simple for people to do at home. They can just squeeze like a half a lemon. It's like 3/4.
Exactly. Yeah. So then you're just going to kind of shake this up for you.
Nice shake.
And then after that, you're going to make sure to strain over fresh ice into a Collins glass.
Now I really appreciate that because the fresh ice, because your ice is already starting to dissolve in your shaker, so now you have some fresh ice.
Yeah, you broke it down, got rid of all the proof that you wanted to get rid of, and now you're going to pour it over fresh ice. I would also recommend double straining this because you're going to want to catch the rest of these mint leaves.
Exactly, and mint in your teeth is never a good look for anybody.
Exactly.
Oh, that looks so pretty.
Yeah, it's a really pretty cocktail.
And now, is there something else that tops this off?
Absolutely. So us being a Texas barbecue joint, you know we got to have Topo Chico on hand.
Of course.
And then...
And just like topping it off?
Exactly. You just want to top it off, kind of get that sparkle going, add that fresh bubble feel, and then you're going to go ahead and garnish with a nice lemon wheel and a blackberry.
I love it, and it looks delicious, right?
Yeah. Wait till you taste it.
I still think it's simple. It's something everybody can make at home. And if you like this drink, and trust me, if you taste it, you're gonna love it. Head to birddogwhiskey.com and you're gonna find other recipes just as simple as this one with all the different flavors of Bird Dog whiskey.